right, Cora was just talking about onesies. So imagine a fleece animal onesie. That's what I was in this weekend for a Halloween climb up Beacon Rock. A couple of my friends and I all dressed up in animal onesies, and we climbed out at Beacon Rock. And just take a look at that view. Forget the alligator right there. That's me. Look at that view. We saw some gorgeous weather over the weekend. A nice little piece of the Columbia River there with the gorge in the background. It was just gorgeous out there, and we had a lot of fun too in our costumes. There's my alligator tail. A little hard to climb in, but we made it up 4 pitches, about 400 feet, and we popped out. Imagine the look of those people's faces that were climbing or hiking Beacon Rock too, and we popped over the railing there. So we got a corgi and also a giraffe, and it was so much fun. So good Halloween spirit here. We're only 4 days away from the holiday, and the good news is we'll see some great weather for Halloween, just a little bit chilly. So current temperatures mid-30s now in Portland. Many spots in the Portland metro area also in the upper 20s. That's more out towards Hillsborough on the west side. Salem 31 degrees, out towards Astoria, clear skies 32. We'll see a nice sunrise too, so take a peek eastward out towards Mount Hood this morning and you'll get some good views. Current winds are still light too, but these will really pick up as we head towards our evening time. We do have a wind advisory in place for gusty conditions. We'll see winds ramping up this evening. This advisory doesn't go into place until 10 p.m. tonight through Tuesday evening, but do expect gusty winds to work in, and speeds close to about 40 to 50 miles per hour, traveling right through the gorge towards the east sides of the Portland metro area. So the biggest effects will be in Clark and Multnomah counties. We'll see the gustiest conditions there, but we'll still see some winds working in down the valley too. So high pressure really keeping us dry again this week. A nice blocking high. Not seeing much moisture from this pattern here, but the jet stream pulling in some cold Arctic air as we head into this week. Tomorrow will be near record cold daytime highs. Temperatures only in the upper 40s by tomorrow. Pair that with those winds, we'll see a nice wind chill out there. So it's going to be cold for much of this week, and even cold enough to get some snow just near Spokane and portions of southeastern Washington. Going into tonight, Pendleton and areas closer to the Blues could get some snowfall because we are just that cold. The good news is we do stay dry, and we are expecting a lot of sunshine through the afternoon too. Much of that moisture does stay offshore, be very light, but snowfall expected as we look towards the Blues going into tonight. Still dry in Portland, and as we head towards Halloween, great weather. We'll see sunshine, a few passing clouds, but Thursday looks great for kiddos throughout the afternoon who want to head outside in those neighborhoods and go trick-or-treating. So dry conditions through this week and even into the weekend too. Here's our temperature trend. Near record cold daytime highs. The current coldest daytime high is 47 degrees, so we'll be right around there heading into tomorrow. The rest of the week we stay pretty much in the low to mid 50s. Today at the coast, sunny skies. Winds also picking up by this evening. Will be in the mid 50s. In Portland, 56 degrees today, and that's a couple degrees below normal. Lots of sunshine on the way, but a windy evening ahead for us. Here's that 7-day forecast. That wind advisory going into effect tonight through Tuesday. Expect gusty conditions, so charge your phones. We could possibly get some power outages too. We'll be checking everything and watching out for that here on KOIN.com and on our newscasts. We'll be right back.